Don't compare yourself to anyone. In a big green jungle there lived a turtle. He was kind and gentle, but he always felt sad. "I am too slow," Turtle sighed as he watched the rabbit hop fast. "I can't fly," he frowned, looking at the eagle soaring high. "I can't roar," he whispered, hearing the lion's loud voice. One day, wise old Owl saw Turtle sitting alone. "Why are you sad, little one?" Owl asked. "I am not fast like rabbit. I can't fly like eagle. I can't roar like lion. I am not special," Turtle said. Owl smiled. "Come with me." First, they went to the river. "Look at Rabbit," Owl said. Rabbit tried to swim but splashed everywhere. "He is fast, but he cannot swim well." Then they looked at Eagle. The great bird tried to walk on the ground but stumbled. "He can fly, but he is not good at walking," Owl said. Finally, they saw Lion drinking water. "He is strong and loud, but he cannot carry his home on his back like you," Owl said. Turtle blinked. "So, I am special too." "Yes," Owl nodded. "You don't have to be like Rabbit, Eagle, or Lion. You are Turtle. You have your own strengths." Turtle smiled for the first time. "I can swim. I have a strong shell, and I carry my home everywhere. I am special in my own way." From that day on, Turtle never compared himself to others again. He was happy just being himself. Moral of the story: you are special just the way you are. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own strengths. Remember, you are unique and special in your own way. Do not compare yourself to others because everyone has different strengths. Focus on what makes you great and use it to shine. Be proud of who you are and keep going at your own pace. The world needs you just the way you are.